Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 4, 2026 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong February 4, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, February 4, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 4, 2026 Wednesday. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, February 4, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 4, 2026 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.